What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And boy oh boy, this was an absolutely crazy week again, and it's always tough to select just 3 hats from this great selection of drops that we had on both stores over the week. And I can already tell you, I can already spoiler you that the next weeks are going to be crazy because there is so much heat coming into the warehouse, and it's even already tough to select which hat should be dropped on which day. But without further ado, let's go into this, and I would like to start with Topperzstore USA. And my third place this week is this beautiful LA Dodgers for the Tokyo Series 25. And I mean, this front logo is absolutely different and it looks super nice. We added some metallic touch on this one, and then you also have this beautiful Shohei Ohtani from Japan to LA side patch, which fits perfectly to this hat, and the flat MLB Batman on the back. Gray UV, black guts, beautiful hat. This is my third place this week from Topperzstore USA. My second place this week is another beautiful NHL hat, this time with red UV and white guts. And this is probably one of the craziest jerseys of all time from the NHL, from the Vancouver Canucks. And with this golden detail in the front, it looks absolutely amazing. Look how sharp the embroidery is on this hat. And yeah, this is my favorite Canucks logo, and if you have this on the side patch and both of these logos on one hat, I mean, come on, this is a beautiful hat, right? And then we got the NHL shield on the back, absolutely amazing. And this is my second place this week. My first place this week is an absolute crazy clean hat, and oh my god, I love how it came out, you know, metallic silver, metallic pewter. This is always nice. Gray UV, black guts, another Los Angeles Dodgers with the script in the front. And this embroidery is sharp. It's perfect. It looks amazing. And look at this Olympic side patch. Oh my god, this looks really good. The white pops off so good with the stars. And then you got the MLB Batman on the back. This is my first place this week from Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below, what were your top 3 hats this week from Topperzstore USA? Do you agree with my selection, or did you pick some other hats? Let's come over to Topperzstore Europe, and this week I got 1 MLB and 2 NHL hats, and I would like to start, and this is for me as a Mets fan, you know, I would like to start my third place this week with an Atlanta Braves hat, and this Tomahawk beauty came out amazing. Look at this. This is exactly what I expected, to have this different shine on every angle with these small details, metallic pewter, and then we got metallic red on the All-Star Game 2000 side patch. And this is perfect. It's clean, but it's very special at the same time. Gray UV, black guts, and we got a flat Cooperstown Betty on the back. The Tomahawk, my third place this week at Topperzstore at Topperzstore Europe, I'm sorry. And now my second place this week goes to my favorite hockey team. And you guys know I love Kelly Green. I want to make it more vintage with white guts, and yeah, putting Al in the front. I mean, this is amazing. Stanley Cup 98 side patch. This is a beautiful hat, super nice. I couldn't wait to get this. I doubled up on this. So I doubled up on this because I love it so much. And then you got the NHL shield on the back. Oh my god, it's a beautiful hat. And also here, shout out Sunera. This hat is perfect. Perfectly made, perfect sizing, and also perfect embroidery in the front. This is my second place this week. And my first place this week is always nice when we did all these hooks in the past. And I mean, I have the connection to this, to one of my favorite actors of all time, and also one of my favorite movies of all time. And yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Red UV, black guts, and now make sure, yeah, this is shiny as crazy. Judgment Day with the red eye. Oh my god, this came out so great. This was an experiment, but I'm super happy that it came out that great. 10th anniversary side patch, a lot of shine on this one. Also on the back, and the red UV gives it an extra touch. Graphite and black, beautiful hat. This is my first place this week from Topperzstore. Let me know what were your favorite hats from both stores, as I already said, in the comments below. And also let me know what you would like to see next. If you have a special wish, let me know in the comments or send me a DM. You can also follow me on Instagram at petlanta24. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would highly appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And if you like the video, of course, also hit the like button. I would like to thank you very much for tuning in again, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm out, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow in the stream. Bye.